Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada, where financial wisdom meets Canadian expertise. Subscribe now for smart money moves. Also, explore valuable resources and helpful links in the description below. In this video, we're going to show you how to get your TD Canada checking account statement. To start, open the website td.com. On their website, you will see a section for Easy Web Online Banking. Click on the Login button under Easy Web Online Banking. Now, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the page. Click on Statements and Documents. To get started, select an account. Click on TD Checking Account. Then the list of statements will appear. Click on the particular statement you wish to get. Now on this page, you will see the content of the statement. Then at the upper part, you will see a download button. To proceed, click on the download button. And now your statement has been downloaded. That's how you get your TD Canada checking account statement. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.